guys! Welcome back to Squarespace Staples, the series where we go through all the basics of using your Squarespace website. So to start with, you're going to want to log into your Squarespace website and go to the Pages section, and you can go to any page, it doesn't matter. You're going to want to come over here to this little paintbrush icon. It's called Site Styles. And then you're going to want to come down here to Buttons. And now you'll see up at the top that you've got primary, secondary, and tertiary options. These are the different button styles that are available to you to put onto pages. And what I've done is put each one of those types on my actual page so that when I make changes, I can see what it looks like. So for example, this outline here, if we drag that, you can see it got bigger. And then same thing down here. If you drag this, you can see that it stretches out the button. You can also see it up here. So you can just see how that will look, see how it shrinks down like that. I'm just going to take it back right there. And then this does the same thing, but for horizontal. So the other one was vertical. You can see it shrink down, made a skinny little button. So you can also come in here and edit the shape. You want to have any of these different shapes, something like that. And then also your text, so you can change the font over here. You can change the style, the weight, just really play around with this. And so you'll see a preview here, but if you're on a page with a button, I recommend doing that so you can see in real time how your changes are going to look. And then once you're done, you can move on to your secondary and tertiary options and then play around and see how each of those will look. Now you will see down here that it says match with primary button. So if you want your tertiary to match your primary, you can do that. And then if you go over here, you can see it now says apply to all button types. So if you want all your buttons to look the same, you just format one and then hit this, and then you're good to go. Now let's say you've played around maybe a little too much. You're like, I just want it to go back to how it was in the beginning. Let me start from scratch. No worries. You can either hit reset button styles or just say exit instead of save. And so you'll see, are you sure? And then you can just say exit. All right. That's it. Now go update your website and let me know in the comments what other things you're interested in learning about Squarespace.